Hey, what's up guys, this is Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel TheLeiaV. Thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel if you're seeing this face for the first time. Hi, hello, my name is Shanti. I'm from Singapore. I'm a beauty blogger and I usually create a lot of content that revolves around beauty such as makeup tutorials, beauty product reviews, sometimes fashion as well as lifestyle curated content. And if this is your cup of tea, please be sure to consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All that will be needed from your end is to just click on the subscribe button right down this video that says subscribe in red. Make sure to click on it and there'll be a bell icon next to it. Make sure you click on it as well, just so that you'll be updated and notified whenever new videos like this go up on my channel. You'll be rightly notified and you will not be missing out on. In today's video is going to be a product review. I'm going to be telling you how I feel about the Drunk Elephant's lip balm that has been getting a lot of buzz around the beauty community. So I'm going to be breaking it down to you in this video. If you'd like to know more about how I feel about this lip balm, then please keep on watching. Incorporate a lot more newbies into my ever-growing lip community that I have right here growing in my beauty space. I want to be able to notify you and let you know, give you a little bit of insight of what I feel about the products that are currently in the market, what is what they buy, what is what they skip, that sort of thing. One of the few lip products that I've been trying and I've really have been loving for the past 21 days, I'm going to say about, I'm hitting right around, yeah, it's going to be a month or so. I do take a lot of time to review a product and how I feel about it, how I feel the product working on my skin, how I observe it to be. I have been testing out the Drunk Elephant's lip balm, Lippe balm, that you see right here. I absolutely love the bright canary yellow on. This could clearly go missing in my pencil case because this would definitely mimic the look of a highlight because of its bright yellow top. Each time I just happen to drop this into my black bag, I feel it is so easy to, scoop it, go in with my hands and scoop this lip balm out because of its bright yellow cap, and the other end that has this very, they're almost about the same size, the cap and the rest of the tube. It comes in a no fuss form like most lip balms you have in the market. It has a twist up application and it contains 3.7 grams. This is practically the most biggest lip balm. Can you see the size of this lip balm right here? I would definitely just whip it out and then start highlighting only to realize that it's a lip balm. Not that I've done that yet. Again, with the no fuss packaging, the only thing to note is that the amount of product that has been packed into this regular old looking highlighter plus lip balm type of packaging. I love the fact that this lip balm is jam-packed with a lot of nutrient hydrating types of oils that has gone into the formulation, and by far in the market this is the only lip balm that I have noticed read in the ingredient list that is said to contain peptides. What peptides do, they do a lot of restorative works and repair works. If you're someone who suffers from really chronically dry chapped lips, you might definitely benefit from this. If this is the top lip balm in the market, I would say yes, only for the fact that it has this really unique formulation of peptides that have been packed into this. I'm not gonna lie, this retails for a hefty price tag of, I want to say, around $26 or $27 on the Sephora's official website. This is by far the most expensive lip balm that I've tried so far. Yes, I would give around 3.5 lipsticks out of 5 lipstick, only for the fact that I've not used a lip balm that has peptides formulated in its ingredient listing, and I do feel like it has a very thin consistency. I like the application. If you're someone who doesn't wear a lot of lipstick, just want to hydrate and nourish your lips throughout the day, I do feel like it kind of wears out as you have a lot of water and you eat anything that passes through the lips. I do feel like the slightly waxy formulation on this visibly felt on the skin. It does goes onto the skin, it sinks into the skin pretty quickly as well. I do like the hydration from it. Dehydration has been happening around this area, which I feel like it's probably because of a lot of the mask wearing that we are doing of current times. I feel like Drunk Elephant has really stepped up the game when it comes to the list of ingredients. There's a lot of nourishing blend of oils that have gone into the formulation of this lip balm. The lip balm has a unique infusion blend of avocado, mongongo, cranberry, as well as marula oil, and the peptides that have gone into this lip balm. A plus point to this is that the lip balm is completely colorless. It goes goes really transparent on the lip. It delivers the product without any color or tint or any kind of like flecks of gold or anything like that. It's like a very foolproof lip balm. And I also wanted to say that it actually has no fragrance. I have not particularly observed any fragrance or any scent on this. It's another cool thing to note about the Drunk Elephant's lip balm. I believe the brand by itself is a cruelty-free brand, which just goes about to saying that they don't test on animals, which is an added plus. I do admit that it's pretty pricey for a lip balm, but if you're someone who's suffering and looking forward to repairing and building new skin cells in your lips, I'm talking about someone who has a lot of like very deep, chronically chapped lips, who have tried everything else in the market and still you have not gotten any relief for your dry and chapped lips, you probably might want to give this product a try. So that's about it. I feel that's the only way I could justify for its hefty price tag, because I believe it's the price of $26 or $27. There's another product that you can actually get in the market which is actually described and titled as a lip mask. I have also been using that product for a very long time, and a review on that product is also coming up very soon. And that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoy watching this Drunk Elephant's Lippe Balm product review. And if you know of someone who might benefit from this product review, then please do not forget to share this video, and also share this video with your family and friends, because sharing is caring. And if you're not subscribed already, please consider doing so. Your support will go a very long way for me. All that will be needed from you is to click on the subscribe button right down this video. Make sure to click on the bell icon next to it as well, just so that new videos like this will be coming into your inbox as soon as possible. Make sure to wash your hands, and I shall catch you very soon in my next video. Bye!